Welcome. In this video we are going to learn the garter stitch. This stitch makes a fabric that looks the same on both sides, and it's knit in only one technique, and that is the knit stitch. There are two main ways to knit, English and continental. I'm also right-handed, so bear that in mind. With that said, let's get into the stitch. I'll show you English knitting first. Insert your needle into the stitch and wrap the yarn around from back to front. Pull it tight and pull it down through the stitch and allow the old stitch to slip off. Again, insert, wrap your yarn, pull it down and slip it off. Insert your needle, wrap your yarn, pull it down and slip it off. Moving on to continental style, move your yarn over to your left hand. Insert your needle, pick up the yarn off of your finger while pulling it through your loop and slip the old stitch off. Insert your needle, pick up the yarn, pull it through and slip off your needle. Insert your needle, pick up your yarn and slip it off. Let's talk now about reading your work. Counting your rows is as simple as counting the ridges and multiplying it by 2, as every ridge is 2 rows. To count your stitches, count the bumps on one side of the ridge. In a written pattern, the stitch can be written in full, which normally shows that that is the only stitch on the row, or it's a K with a number after it, which lets you know how many of the stitch to complete, such as K2 means you need to complete 2 knit stitches. If a pattern wants you to knit multiple rows at a time, it may ask you to garter stitch the rows, which would be abbreviated down to GST.